When 10-year-old kids picked stocks and compared the results with chartered accountants, the kids ended up picking better stocks and making more money. How did they do that? As the saying goes, if the base is good, then the building will be well made. It's a recap of part 1. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure to check it out first. In part 1, we covered basics of the stock market and shared some surprising insights on how young kids manage to outperform seasoned chartered accountants in stock picking. For those who are up to speed, welcome to part 2. In this video, we will dive deeper into the stock market and answer some of the most common questions beginners have and help you to build a strong foundation for successful investing. Hello friends, I'm Wealthverse. Many beginners get scared just hearing about the stock market. Let's get started and uncover more about how you can investing, manage risks and potentially build substantial wealth. Now I am going to address common questions beginners might have. Why does the stock market have a bad reputation? Is it really dangerous? Can you invest if you don't have a commerce background? How does the stock market work? Why do share prices go up and down? Where can you gain in depth knowledge? Which books, courses, and magazines should you read? So, why does the stock market have bad reputation? Many people expect to get rich overnight, which is unrealistic. Properly chosen investment yield steady returns over time. Do you need a commerce background to invest? No. Even a 10-year-old kid have outperformed chartered accountants by picking companies they know and trust, like Cadbury or Disney. You can use your knowledge to pick companies in your field and expertise. Now, let's discuss how share prices go up and down. Companies need more money for big projects, so they sell shares to the public. You can buy and sell these shares in the stock market, which allows you to participate in the growth of companies like Tata or Jio. For more detailed learning, if you want to make a career in investing, here are some recommended books to get rich early as possible. Rich Dad or Poor Dad, a great starter book. Learn to Earn by Peter Lynch, excellent for stock market basics. The Education of a Value Investor by Guy Spire, more advanced but very insightful. Stay connected with me on Instagram for daily tips and updates. If you have any doubts or need clarification, comment below. My team will help you out. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with friends or relatives who want to learn about investing. Bye for now. This is Wealthverse signing off.